Good morning, student. Today in the video we are going to discuss constant term, like and unlike terms. Constant term, a term of an expression having no literal factor, is called a constant term. Let us try to understand with few examples. For example, an algebraic expression x square plus 4xy minus 8. Now here the constant term is minus 8. Here the constant term is minus 8. Now let us try to understand with one more example. For example, x square plus 4. Here the constant term is 4. The constant term is 4. Terms. The terms whose variable part are exactly same, meaning they have the same algebraic factor, are called like terms. Now let us see with few examples. For example, 7ab, 6ab, 2x square, 5x square, all these are like terms because here 7ab, here same algebraic factor, here the variable is also same. You can see ab is the variable, here also ab is the variable. That is why 7ab and 6ab are like terms. Here x square and x square. So this are also the like terms. Like terms. The terms whose variable part, either whose algebraic factors are different, are called unlike terms. Now see here with few examples. For example, 7x square, 8y square. These two algebraic factors are unlike terms because here the variables are different. Here this is x square and this is y square. So that is why this algebraic expression are unlike terms. Now let us see one more example. 2x square, 6y square, 8z square. Here also the algebraic factors are different. 2x square, 6y square and 8z square. So here the algebraic factors are different. That is why these are also unlike terms. Hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you.